All right, we got enemies up ahead.
I'm calling him. Bob Jr.
Why did you give him a name?
I can't wait till we get new equipment.
Watch out, one is coming. Taking cover.
Moving up ahead.
I'll find you.
I have a bad feeling.
Here we go.
I think Bob JRB is disabled.
Sorry. Should have just run. Huh?
Wow, looks like they're attacking raiders.
I hear moving up ahead.
I don't think we can keep him. He's probably a tracker Bob Jr.
No.
Why didn't you send me down here? I'm the one supposed to be in charge.
We're talking to Bob about Bob JRB.
We'll be up here, both stay in contact.
I thought I was supposed to be in general. More did raiders. Nothing now.
What? You're breaking up.
Okay.
No. Get away from Bob Jr.
This is the only way, Bob.
Okay. All right, it's all clear. Turning radio off. All right, going back up to the surf. Oh, yes, we finally conquered it.
I'm so sorry. Bob.
Bob Jr.